Watch what happens to these. 45 thousandths. It's telling us that the 5 has to end up in the thousandths column. So to do that, we would have to put a 0 on the front of this. That would be 45 thousandths, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. 92 thousandths says that the last number here has to end up in the denominators column. So 92, that would only be in the hundredths column. If we put our decimal here, we would have to add a 0 here to the front. Tenths, hundredths, finally the 2 is in the thousandths. So this is 92 thousandths. 5 has to end up in the thousandths column. That means 2 zeros need to go in front of it before we place our decimal point. 14 thousandths, 3 thousandths, now when these change to percentages, we're still going to follow the rule of shifting our decimal point 2 places to the right. We're going to the right because we set our columns up in fractions, decimals, percentages. So we're going in this direction. We're going to put down our 45 and see where the decimal point places. 1, 2. Oh, it's between the 4 and the 5. So our decimal point goes there. We have to place a decimal point on these because there's a number afterwards, and then the percent sign is added to the end. If we take our decimal point and move it over 2 places, 1, 2, we still have a number on the end. So this would be moved as 9.2%. The decimal point is moved 2 places to the right, 1, 2. We have a number hanging over here, so we're going to put 0.5%. It's all in the columns of the place value. Moving this one over, 1, 2, it's placed right there, 1.4%. 1, 2, this is 0.3%.